guys, Anthony Beckham here, and today we are at the Henry Estate Winery for the first graffiti event of this summer. So we're gonna be checking out some classic cars, some local food trucks, and meeting a bunch of people. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. There are a ton of people here today and a ton of cool cars. I'm gonna go ahead and take a short intermission and try out some of this Hawaiian shaved ice that everybody's been talking about. So let's go check it out. I seriously can't believe that I ate all this. Everybody was like, whoa, oh my God, that's so big. But now I understand what all the hype is about because you gotta check this place out. Rollin Thunder Barbecue. that might be perfect. So this has been a ton of fun. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to learn all about what it's like to live here in Roseburg. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.